So today we're going to be talking about page 504 in our textbooks about question number 19, which says, in a certain population of caribou, the population of the animal being sickly is 1 over 20. If a caribou is sickly, the probability of its being eaten by wolves is 1 over 3. If a caribou is not sickly, the probability of it being eaten by wolves is 1 over 150. So the first thing we want to do is to write down our givens, which we can say that the animal is being sickly is 1 over 20. The animals sick and eaten are 1 over 3. And then the animals eaten but healthy are 1 over 150. And since we know that the animals that are sick are 1 over 20, we can say that the animals that are healthy are 19 over 20. Alright, so the first thing we want to do is write down our stem and leaf plots. So we'll group them into sick and not sick. And then we'll have two stems reaching out of the sick. And we'll say that eaten and then not eaten. So it's going to look like that. And then we're just going to give them their probability labels. So we can say that sick is 1 over 20, like that. And then eaten is 1 over 3, and then not eaten is 2 over 3. So let's look at the not sick, and we'll write down some stems there, and we'll say the same, eaten and not eaten, just like that. And then we'll label these 19 over 20, and then since it's 1 over 150 for the animals that are eaten that are not sick, we can say that the animals that are not sick and not eaten will be 1 over 149. 149 over 150. We can write that right there. Okay, so the next thing we want to do is we want to determine what the outcomes are going to be. So it's going to be sick and eaten. And then what you're going to do is you're going to multiply 1 over 20 multiplied by 1 over 3, which equals 1 over 60. And then we're going to do the same over here. Be sick, not eaten. I know it looks like south and northeast. And then, so it's going to be 120 multiplied by 2 over 3, which is 2 over 60. Alright, and let's do that for the same over here. So we're going to say not sick and eaten. And that's going to look like 19 over 20 multiplied by 1 over 150. And that's going to be 19 over 3,000. So it's going to look like that, if you can see. Let's give you an update. Okay. And so the next one is going to be not sick and not eaten. So not sick, not eaten, north, south, northeast. And then it's going to be 2,831 over 3,000. So that's going to look like it so far. So the question says, if a caribou is chosen at random from the herd, what is the probability of the event that it will be eaten by wolves? So it doesn't matter if the animal's healthy or not healthy. We just want to determine any ones that's going to be eaten by wolves. So we'll look around here. We'll see, oh, okay, these ones are eaten, and their probability outcome is 1 over 60. And then we're going to add it with the not sick group. And okay, and they're going to be 19 over 3,000. And since we have to make these two bottom numbers the same, we're going to multiply that, and we're going to get 50 over 3,000. And then we're going to add that with 19 over 3,000. And then our final answer will be 69 over 3,000. But that can be simplified into 23 over 1,000. And that's your answer. That's how many wolves caribous that will be eaten by wolves.